Hey everybody, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the green screen, blue screen feature in iMovie on your iPad. So the first couple steps are to record your green screen or blue screen video in front of a green screen or blue screen. The other step is to go ahead and figure out what you're going to use in the background, whether that's a photo or a video. And then you're going to head over to iMovie like I have here, and you're going to start a new project by tapping on the plus sign. I'm making a movie, so I'll tap on movie. And now at the very bottom of the screen, I'm going to tap on Create Movie. So the first thing you need to do is import your background video, which sometimes people think, oh, green screen. No, you want to start with the background. My background is going to be a photo that I found online of a beach. And then I'm going to tap the plus sign to put it in the timeline. Now, one thing to note is that because this photo is not mine, I need to add a slide at the end when I'm all done to give credit to the photographer. I'm going to drag the timeline to the beginning before I add the green screen video. Now I'm going to head up here to the top and go back a little bit because my green screen video is a video, not a photo. So I'm going to look for it. Once you find your green screen, you're going to tap once on it, and then you're going to tap on the three dots, not the plus sign like you're used to. You have all these choices of how to import it. I'm going to choose green/blue screen, and iMovie is automatically going to figure out what to do with it. So let's say you want to make some adjustments. You're going to tap on the little tiny green screen video in the timeline, and that gives you some new options. Up here in the preview screen, in the top right corner, there's a button for the strength. That changes how much green is erased. The next button is your crop, so I can eliminate the edges of the green screen, which is sometimes helpful if you accidentally record outside of the green screen. I can also change things like volume like I could before. If you go down to the very bottom of the screen, you see things like action speed, volume. Sometimes my recording isn't very good, so I might want to increase it so people can hear me. But that is it. So now when I press play, there I am at the beach. And that's it. Tap done when you're ready, and now you can export it and send it to wherever you want to publish.